facing the WhatsApp seems to be having trouble reading your chat history, and we will try to recover it error on your iPhone. This issue can happen because of corrupted backups or storage problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this WhatsApp chat recovery problem. Let's get started. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on the iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Hope your issue is fixed now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.